In the tranquil hills of the Allgäu region, an architectural masterpiece emerges from the confines of its site and its surroundings. House P wasn't designed out of sheer imagination, but rather from an effort to maximize the limits of the permitted building form on the site. It embodies the essence of a traditional Allgäu house, a gently sloping gabled volume with a full ground floor, before being touched by the ingenuity of modern design. The design's lines become particularly dramatic when the single volume is sliced obliquely along its central axis. Through this bold incision, the single building mass transforms into two separate, complementary structures, a main residence and a storage area. This incision is not merely an aesthetic maneuver, but a functional step that defines the overall character of the residence. The void created between the two buildings transforms into a sheltered inner courtyard. This area allows the family to gather and engage in outdoor activities without being disturbed by wind or weather. This courtyard serves as a private oasis, harmoniously connecting the interior with the exterior. The sloping rear facade, created by the diagonal cut, collaborates with the elegant floating staircase. This composition creates natural shade, allowing anyone to walk to the main entrance without worrying about being hit by rainwater. The presence of the cantilevered staircase also creates a floating impression that contrasts with the solidity of the surrounding materials. The decision to design the building's mass with slanted angles has a remarkable effect on the quality of the interior. This dynamic external form creates an interior volume that feels vast, majestic, and far from conventional. The unique geometry makes every corner of the interior feel dynamic and full of visual surprises. Living area, a large glass window is installed across the floor, like a framed painting of nature. Through this massive opening, residents are presented with a majestic view of the expansive Allgäu mountain range. The natural landscape seems to be drawn in and becomes part of the interior decor, constantly changing with seasons. The relationship between the floors within the house flows through the double-ceilinged living and dining room, which features a gallery on the upper floor. This vertical concept creates openness and transparency between the spaces, allowing for close communication between the residents. A warm fireplace is placed in the center of the room to enhance the intimate and cozy atmosphere when the cold begins to creep in. Ascending to the upper level, there's a tranquil attic specifically designed as a place to unwind. In this space, residents can relax, read a book, or simply gaze at the night sky. The windows in the attic area are precisely positioned to face the sky, providing direct access to an uninterrupted panoramic view of the stars. Meanwhile, the basement floor is designed as a private area offering extra tranquility. This area houses 2 private bedrooms, a bathroom, and a sauna to nurture the body and mind. This hidden part of the house provides the perfect refuge when residents need a break, completely isolated from the daily hustle and bustle. Material-wise, the house is deeply rooted in local traditions, utilizing wood as both the primary construction material and the facade. The wood cladding on the facade undergoes a charred wood process before being assembled. This natural and eco-friendly technique not only provides robust protection against extreme weather, but also gives House P its unique and iconic jet black appearance. As a counterbalance to the warmth of the black wooden facade above, the lower floor utilizes exposed concrete with an insulated core. This concrete serves as both a visual and structurally sound foundation, serving as a stone foundation upon which the wooden house sits. The contrast between the cool, solid concrete and the dark, warm wood emphasizes House P's architectural narrative, which is modern yet respectful of its natural surroundings.